Welcome to our tutorial video. In this video, we will show you how to set up and manage your unit of measure details. Let's get started. Click on the settings icon to access the main menu. Select Create Unit of Measure Details to create a new unit of measure in your database. To begin, create the new unit of measure. Type the description. Once you are done, click Save to update the information. In the event that the unit of measure was created incorrectly, you can delete this and create a new one. If you need to edit the unit of measure description or delete an existing unit of measure, you can do so. Select Edit Unit of Measure Details and select the unit of measure to edit. Update the description. Click Save to update the information. If this unit of measure is no longer in active use but you want to keep a record of the information, click Non-Active and click Save to update the information. If you want to delete this unit of measure, click Delete. To have an overview of all the unit of measure in your database, select Summary Unit of Measure Details. You can search for a specific unit of measure, or you can click View to see the summary. If you click on the specific unit of measure, you will see the full details. Now that you have learned how to set up your unit of measure, it's your turn to try. Once you have completed the setup for your units of measure, you are ready to create your inventory items. View the next video to learn how to set up and manage your product and catalog details. Thank you for watching.